In this video, we're going to take a look at finding angles in isosceles triangles on Khan Academy. First thing to note is that in isosceles triangles, there's always two equal sides and two equal angles. And those equal angles are going to be across from the equal sides. So what I'd recommend doing to start is get your trusty scratch pad, locate the equal sides, 5 and 5. And now we're going to mark the angles that are congruent, meaning equal. They're going to be the angles across from the equal sides. And this angle in between the equal sides is going to have a different measure. Okay, so the other fact we have to use is that in a triangle, the three angles add to 180 degrees, right? So let's subtract 88 from 180, and we'll find how much these other two angles have to add to. 180 minus 88 is 92. So these two purple angles, here and here, have to add to 92. And because it's an isosceles triangle, these two purple angles are congruent, meaning equal. Therefore, if we divide 92 by 2, we're going to get the value of each of these purple angles, and that'll give us the value of x. So that's 46 degrees. X is 46, and this other base angle down here is 46. Next problem. Before we do anything, we're going to circle the equal sides, and we're going to mark the angles across from them. So 56, and then this angle right here also has to be 56, because the angles across from the equal sides in an isosceles triangle are congruent. Next, we know that the three angles have to add to 180. 56 plus 56 is 112. So x must be 180 minus 112. That is 68 degrees. Problem 3. Same exact strategy. Circle these two sixes. Those are the congruent sides. Mark the congruent angles that are across from the congruent sides. So 58 is the odd angle out, right? These two purple angles are equal. 58 is different. We know that the three angles add to 180. If we do 180 minus 56, we're going to be finding the sum of the two purple angles, which is 124. So together, these two purple angles have to add to 124, and since they're equal, we can split 124 in half to find the value of each of them. And that's 62 degrees. Uh-oh. What did we do wrong here? 180 minus 50, ooh, look. It's supposed to be 58. I put 56. That's fine. We'll fix it right here. Subtract 58. We should have gotten 122. And when we divide 122 by 2, we get 61. So, copying error got us 1 degree off. But that's fine. We'll learn from our mistake. Problem 4. Circle the congruent sides, mark the congruent angles. We're trying to find angle x. The three angles in a triangle always add to 180. We know that two of the angles are 62, so 62 plus 62, or 62 times 2, is 124. X must be 180 minus 124. and that's 56 degrees. So when you're doing find angles in isosceles triangles, you use your scratch pad and start out by marking the congruent sides and the congruent angles.